Hello, Form B. This is how you are going to make a bar graph for your Colored Lights and Plant Growth Lab. First off, this is made up data. This is made up data. This is made up data. You will figure out the own data using the simulation. But after you have put in the data for the average plant height data table, you then need to copy this data table and bring it into Google Sheets. So I'm going to copy my data table, hit Control C or Control V or Control C or Command C on my keyboard. So I've now copied that, and now I need to go to Google Sheets. So I open a new tab. Up here, there's the 9 dots, and I scroll down, and there is Google Sheets. I'm going to choose blank. And so now I am going to Control V, and I've pasted my data table into the Google Sheets. I now need to make a graph of this. So I'm going to, again, highlight my data table, and then I go over to where it says Insert Chart, and I choose Insert Chart. And it's going to initially give me a scatter plot, and I do not want a scatter chart. I'm going to go up to where it says Scatter Chart, and I'm going to choose a bar graph. And there you can see that it starts to make fairly nice bar graph for us. I do not need the spinach average height, so I'm going to remove it. I do not need the radish average height, so I'm going to remove it. I do not need the lettuce average height, so I'm going to remove it. So now I am left with just my average plant height based on the colors. Pretty nice. A couple things that I need to do to clean this up is I need to add a proper title to the chart. And so I'm going to delete this title text. And this would be average plant height versus color height. And as you can see, as I'm typing over here, it's appearing here on my graph. And then I do need a title here on the vertical axis. And so I choose chart title and I go down to vertical axis title. And then that would be average plant height. And I'm going to measure that in centimeters. Again, I want to make sure I have those units specified there. So now I've got my title up here. I have my title, my vertical axis title, colored light is already on here. But I do need to add a few more parts here to the grid. And so we have done, go to customize, and down here where it says grid lines and ticks. Again, I'm going, right now it's counting by 5s, which is a little much. I'm going to have it count by 1s. Okay. So that kind of gives me that indication of going up by 1s. And then down here where it says major ticks, I'm going to click on major ticks, and that gives me those set accordingly. So it looks pretty nice overall. Then I need to copy this to put it into my lab report. So I just go up to the 3 dots and hit copy chart, and then I can then insert it into my lab report. Thank you.